Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we will talk about Pinksale Finance, a step-by-step tutorial how to participate in pre-sales and how to make good money in the best case, guys, okay? So first of all, you go to pinksale.finance. This will take you here. Then you go to Launchpads and then Launchpad list, okay? So here you can see we are on the Binance mainnet, BSC mainnet, and most of the pre-sales are on the Binance Smart Chain here, okay? You would click here connect, first step, whatever kind of wallet you're using. The most commonly used is Metamask. And if you don't know how to set up Metamask, I have a tutorial on my channel. I will link it in the description. And also guys, if you want to trade the current fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market, like the price goes up and down, you know, so I have a couple of thousands of dollars bonus for example, Bybit and Phemex down in the description. Use my link to support this channel, appreciate it. And yes guys, so let's go. You simply click connect, then this will connect you to your Metamask, okay? So as you can see here, we have all filter by. First of all, we go to in progress, okay? Because we want to see what's on pre-sale right now, okay guys? So next step. The next step would be, how do you know what could be a good investment? So first of all, as you can see, you can hear on the right side, you always see, of course we're on the Binance Smart Chain, so you invest BNB, okay? So first of all, you want to see, on the right side here, you will see how much money do they want to raise. For example, this project wants to raise 20 BNB, guys, okay? And you see the progress. Right now they have 0.133 BNB. So what could be a good indication that a project could be? It's always, you know guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show those kinds of projects and opportunities. Always do your own research. But listen guys, so you can see the progress. A good indication that a project could be successful is if they are able to raise much more than what they were looking for. For example, this one here is right now a good example. They were looking for 50 BNB. They have 306%. That means 153.48 BNB. So this could be a good indication, but you know, if the pre-sale just started, of course you don't know if it's going to be successful, but you see here the timer ends in 3 hours 35 minutes. So of course you should give the project some time, because this one ends in 8 days. No one invested in it, so you have to give those projects some time. I mean, it could also be, guys, you know, if there is a project that doesn't raise much during the pre-sale, if you do a good marketing, so it could be successful in the future. But as of right now, we don't know anything. You know, crypto is like, yeah, high risk, high reward. But this could be a good indication that you pick a good project, as you can see here. So what's also important, that the project has been audited and KYC. That means that they know your customer. That's what it means. Let me show you guys, for example, this project here. Safe-ru, that means your investment should be safe. They have been audited and KYC. So this is important. Always look that the project has been audited and KYC. That's important. For example, if you then click on view, let me show you guys. Here you see all the information about the project. Here you see the links. And how does it work? So once you connected your Metamask, for example, you can click here, for example, 1, and say you want to invest 1 BNB, okay? So then once this countdown ends, the pre-sale is over, yeah, guys? So, and then you should follow those projects on, for example, Twitter, Telegram, or whatever they offer. And once the pre-sale stops, they will announce on their social media channels how you get your tokens. For example, they could announce on, let's say, on Telegram, on the Telegram channel, okay, a token allocation will be in 3 days. That means let's say for 1 BNB that you have invested in 3 days, you will get your allocated tokens, okay? You will also see the contract address there, so they will automatically send them usually the tokens to your Metamask, and you simply import them the token address, then you see those tokens in your Metamask, yeah? So that's actually a step-by-step guide, pretty simple, guys. As mentioned before, if you don't know how to set up Metamask, check the link in the description or just search for it on my channel. And yes guys, that's actually how it works. Pretty simple, I would say. So guys, If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.